Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare chili chicken. This is a very popular dish. It is an Indo-Chinese preparation. If we have all the Chinese sauces, it can be prepared very quickly. Let us see how to prepare chili chicken. Here I have taken 200 grams of boneless chicken. I have cleaned it well, washed it several times, washed it with vinegar and salt, then drained and kept. Then I have taken an onion, 12 shallots, a 1-inch piece of ginger, 10 cloves of garlic, 2 green chili, a small capsicum and a few coriander leaves. I have made a paste of half of the ginger and garlic. The remaining ginger and garlic I have chopped fine. I have cut the shallot into small pieces. I have cut the onion and capsicum into cubes. I have finely chopped the green chili and coriander leaves. Let us add the ginger garlic paste to the chicken. Let us add 1 teaspoon pepper powder and salt. Let us add an egg. Let us mix it well. Let us cover and keep for 30 minutes. Let us mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of refined flour or maida. Let us roll the marinated chicken pieces in the corn flour maida mix. Let us arrange them in a plate. Let us heat the oil for frying the chicken. Let us add the chicken pieces one by one. On a medium flame, let us fry the chicken well. The chicken pieces are well fried now. Let us move them to a plate. All the chicken pieces are fried now. For preparing the chili chicken sauce, we have taken all the Chinese sauces also. Let us heat a pan. Let us add 2 tablespoons oil. Let us add the chopped ginger, garlic and green chili. The ginger and garlic is well sauteed now. Let us add the chopped shallots. The shallots are well fried now. Let us add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, 2 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon chili garlic paste. For the chili garlic paste, I have made a paste of 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon water. Let us add the onion cubes and capsicum cubes. Let us add 1 teaspoon pepper powder. The onion and capsicum is well sauteed now. Let us add the fried chicken pieces. Let us mix 2 tablespoon corn flour in a little water and pour it here. Let us add a little more water. Let us add a little more salt. The gravy is thick now. This is sufficient. Let us add the coriander leaves. Let us turn off the gas. We can add a little red food color, but I am not adding it. Chili chicken is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving bowl. Hope you like the chili chicken preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.